Growing colorful and fragrant roses can be a rewarding and enjoyable gardening experience. Here are some tips to help you achieve beautiful and aromatic roses. Choose the right varieties. Select rose varieties known for their vibrant colors and strong fragrances. Some popular fragrant rose varieties include Mr. Lincoln, Double Delight, Mr. Blandings, Julia Child, and Fragrant Cloud. Select a suitable location. Full sunlight. Roses thrive in full sun, receiving at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Good air circulation. Choose a location with good air movement to reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Planting and soil preparation. Soil quality. Roses prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Amend the soil with compost before planting. EL level. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral soil H, around 6.07.0. Proper planting. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the rose plant. Plant at the same depth as it was in the container, with the graft union, the knob-like part where the stem meets the roots, just above the soil level. Watering. Regular deep watering. Water roses deeply and consistently, especially during the growing season. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal issues. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilization. Balanced fertilizer. Use a balanced fertilizer formulated for roses or flowering plants. Follow the package instructions for application. Schedule. Fertilize in early spring when new growth emerges, and again after the first flush of blooms. Pruning. Regular pruning. Prune roses in late winter or early spring to remove dead or weak growth. Improve air circulation and shape the plant. Deadheading. Remove spent blooms regularly to encourage new flower production. Disease and pest management. Monitoring. Regularly inspect your roses for signs of diseases, black spot, powdery mildew, and pests. Prevention. Choose disease-resistant rose varieties. Provide proper spacing for good air circulation, and avoid overhead watering. Support and trellis. Depending on the variety, some roses may benefit from support or trellising to help them grow upright and display their blooms attractively. Winter care. Mulching. Apply an extra layer of mulch around the base of the plant in late fall to help protect the roots from freezing temperatures. Pruning. Prune roses back slightly in late fall to prevent wind damage and encourage new growth in the spring. Patience and observation. Roses can take a year or two to establish and reach their full potential. Regularly observe your plants, make adjustments, and learn from your gardening experiences. Remember, each rose variety may have specific care requirements, so it's essential to research the needs of the specific roses you're growing. With proper care, you can enjoy a garden filled with colorful and fragrant roses.